Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're diving into something truly exciting. We're showcasing the top 20 genius woodworking tools on Amazon worth buying in 2026. From smart upgrades to must-have essentials, these tools can boost your precision, speed, and creativity in the workshop. Let's get started. Reciprocating Saw. The Skil 13 Amp. Reciprocating Saw is a powerful corded demolition tool built for tough jobs. Its 13 amp motor delivers strong cutting performance, while the long stroke and variable speed trigger ensure fast controlled cuts. The standout buzzkill technology reduces vibration, making extended use more comfortable. A toolless blade clamp allows quick changes on site. Though slightly heavy, it offers excellent durability and easily cuts through wood, metal, and tough materials during demanding demolition tasks. FlipOut Power Screwdriver. The SpeedHex FlipOut Power Screwdriver, FOSH2014, is a compact 8-volt cordless tool built for tight, hard-to-reach spaces. Its multi-articulating head delivers unmatched flexibility with numerous locking positions and full rotation, making angled driving effortless. It features variable speed, a quick connect hex chuck, and a pivoting LED light for precision work. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's ideal for DIY tasks. Though discontinued, it remains popular on the secondary market for its unique design and versatility. Dovetail Clamp Set. The Microjig Match Fit. Dovetail Clamp Set is a clever clamping system that lets woodworkers create custom T-track functionality using a 1/2 inch 14-degree dovetail router bit. By cutting grooves directly into wood, the clamps slide smoothly and hold firmly without bulky metal tracks. With up to 595 pounds of clamping force and a 5 1/4 inch range, it's perfect for jigs, fences, and workbenches. This system offers flexibility, saves cost, and keeps your workspace clean and efficient. Heavy-duty clamps. Horusdy. Heavy-duty clamps are built for strength, versatility, and everyday reliability in woodworking, metalworking, and DIY projects. Their lineup includes powerful F-style bar clamps, delivering up to 1,200 pounds of force, quick grip one-handed clamps for speed, and durable spring clamps for lighter tasks. With features like ergonomic handles, smooth sliding jaws, and reversible heads, they ensure precision and ease of use. Corner clamps and strap systems further expand their functionality for complex assemblies and accurate alignment. Jorgensen Canvas Band. The Pony Jorgensen Canvas Band clamp is a powerful solution for securing large or irregular woodworking projects with ease. Built from durable ductile cast iron and featuring a high visibility orange finish, it's designed for strength and reliability. Its dual self-locking system allows even tightening from both sides, while the crank handle delivers precise final tension. With up to 2,800 pounds of clamping force, it's perfect for furniture, barrels, and heavy-duty glue-ups where standard clamps fall short. "90-degree corner clamp." The Kreg 90-degree corner clamp, KHCCC, is a must-have assembly tool for achieving perfectly square joints with ease. Its Automax technology automatically adjusts to material thickness up to 1 inch, eliminating manual setup. Built with durable metal components, it delivers strong, reliable clamping for 90-degree corners and T-joints. The self-squaring design ensures accuracy, while padded grips protect workpieces. Ideal for cabinets, drawers, and shelving, it allows fast, hands-free assembly and consistent professional results. Square Clamp Kit. The Milescraft Square Clamp Kit 4012 is a practical 5-piece solution designed to hold perfect 90-degree corners during assembly. Ideal for cabinets, shelves, and furniture, it acts like an extra pair of hands. The kit includes an 8-inch clamp square, 2 track clamps with cam levers, and 2 clamp supports for stability. With up to 90 pounds of pressure and compatibility with standard clamps, it delivers reliable performance while protecting surfaces with non-marring pads. Screwdriver Set. Soccer 42-in-1. Screwdriver Set is a compact, versatile ratcheting toolkit designed for DIY repairs, electronics, and home maintenance. It features a modular T-handle with a 58-tooth reversible ratchet for smooth operation in tight spaces. The set includes 40 Precision S, 2 steel bits covering Phillips, flathead, Torx, hex, posy, and U-shaped types. Its lightweight aluminum handle and magnetic bit system improve control and efficiency. Stored in a durable ABS case, it is ideal for everyday repair tasks and precision assembly work.
Woodpeckers PTR 46 SET Precision Triangle Set. The Woodpeckers PTR 46 SET Precision Triangle Set features 4-inch and 6-inch CNC machined aluminum triangles designed for highly accurate woodworking measurements. With a flat shoulder-free design, they allow precise squareness checks in tight spaces. Laser engraved inch scales ensure exact measurements, while plus or minus 0.0085 degrees. Accuracy guarantees precision. Polished and red anodized for durability, the triangles can be used separately or joined with brass knobs. The set includes a wall-mountable MDF case and is proudly made in Strongsville, Ohio, USA. Milescraft 8401 Trim 45 Trim Carpentry Aid. The Milescraft 8401 Trim 45 Trim Carpentry Aid is a versatile measuring and marking tool that streamlines door, window, and decorative trim installation. It eliminates helpers and tape measure guesswork for precise mitre cuts. Features include an adjustable reveal from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, dual tape measure slots with magnets, stick pins for accurate trim length, a 45-degree angled head, and built-in square. Made from durable plastic with a clamp pad, this hand-powered tool requires no batteries, offering reliable, precise performance every time. Wolfcraft Milling Disc for Angle Grinder. The Wolfcraft Milling Disc for Angle Grinders, Model 438700, is a compact high-performance accessory built for rapid wood removal and creative shaping tasks made from durable C45 tool steel. It fits 115mm and 125mm grinders using an M14 thread. Its 3 sharp cutting teeth and extended shaft allow fast, controlled milling in corners, edges, and curved surfaces. Ideal for slotting, chamfering, hollowing, and sculpting. It delivers aggressive cutting power and must be paired with the Wolfcraft dust extraction hood for safe, low-dust operation. Wolfcraft Bevel plus Mitre Box. The Wolfcraft Bevel plus Mitre Box is a smart 2-in-1 tool that works as both a bevel gauge and a mitre box, making angle measuring and cutting incredibly simple. It automatically transfers wall angles to the perfect cutting angle, eliminating guesswork. Ideal for skirting and baseboards. Designed for internal and external angles, it works with wood or plastic boards and pairs best with a fine handsaw. Users love its accuracy and ease of use. though some note the plastic components require gentle handling. Wolfcraft Triple Blade. Edge Planer. The Wolfcraft Triple Blade. Edge Planer, Model 4009000, is a precision hand tool built for creating perfect 35-degree beveled edges on gypsum plasterboards. Designed for 9.5mm and 12.5mm board thicknesses, it uses 3 high-performance trapezium blades to deliver clean, accurate cuts in a single pass. Its ergonomic plastic cradle ensures controlled, safe operation, while replaceable blades support long-term use. Users praise its speed, simplicity, and professional results, though some note challenges finding compatible replacement blades. Kreg KBCIC Inline Clamp. The Kreg KBCIC Inline Clamp delivers powerful side pressure clamping while keeping your workspace open and unobstructed. Designed to fit standard 3/4 inch or 20mm dog holes, it swivels 360 degrees to apply up to 250 pounds of force exactly where you need it. A smooth contoured dial offers quick 4 3/4 inch adjustment, and the low-profile clamp shoe stays below the material surface. Lightweight yet surprisingly strong, it's ideal for assembly, sanding, finishing, and securing awkward or irregular workpieces. Kreg KFS-PUCK Multipurpose Project Blocks. The Kreg KFS-PUCK Multipurpose Project Blocks offer stable anti-slip support for sanding, routing, finishing, and general assembly tasks. Each hexagon-shaped puck features Grip Max surfaces that keep both the workpiece and the workbench firmly in place. With retractable painting points, they elevate projects cleanly for finishing without smudges. Their 1.5 inch height matches standard 2x4s, adding convenient clearance for clamps and tools. Durable and practical, a set of 4 supports up to 200 pounds, making them ideal for any workshop. GRIZZLY Shop Fox D3347 Cam Clamp. The GRIZZLY Shop Fox D3347 Cam Clamp is a compact low-profile clamp designed for 5/16 inch T-slot tracks on workbenches, drill presses, and CNC tables. Its eccentric cam mechanism quickly secures workpieces by pressing them inward and downward, leaving the top surface unobstructed. Ideal for CNC operations. Made from durable hardened steel with a black finish, it's easy to install and operate. Users praise its strong grip and reliability, though minor adjustments may be needed for non-standard T-tracks. Trend 6-piece electrician hole saw set. The Trend 6-piece electrician hole saw set HS/SET/6 is a professional grade kit featuring M42 bimetal hole saws with 8% cobalt teeth for cutting timber, plastics, metals, and plasterboard. With a variable pitch tooth design, angled ejection slots, and ejection springs, it ensures smooth, fast cutting and easy plug removal. The set includes 6 saws, 16 to 51mm, 2 arbors with HSS pilot drills, and a heavy-duty storage case, making it ideal for any electrician's drill-based tasks. Minova Folding Insulation Hand Saw. The Minova Folding Insulation Hand Saw KD03F is a portable manual tool designed for precise cutting of insulation materials with minimal debris. Its sharp, wave-shaped alloy blade, HRC50-55, ensures efficient cuts, while the foldable design and safety lock provide secure, compact storage. The ergonomic ABS plus TPU handle offers a non-slip, comfortable grip for prolonged use. ideal for wood fiberboards, mineral wool, fiberglass, and styrofoam. It comes in 10-inch and 16.5-inch blade versions. Infinity Tools, Sleeveless, Sanding Drums. The Infinity Tools. Sleeveless sanding drums revolutionize sanding by allowing any standard sheet sandpaper to be used, eliminating costly proprietary sleeves. Featuring a flexible internal locking mechanism, the drums secure paper tightly for a smooth, consistent finish. Made of durable plastic with a high traction TPR coating, they reduce runout for precise sanding. Compatible with drill presses and handheld drills, these versatile drums handle holes, curves, and edges efficiently. Users love their cost savings, reliability, and superior performance. GRIZZLY Dasqua T3 3585. The GRIZZLY Dasqua T 33585 is a 6-inch, 150mm digital dial caliper, offering precision, durability, and modern features. It combines a traditional dial with a high-contrast OLED display, providing measurements in inches, millimeters, and fractions. With plus or minus 0.001 inch accuracy, IP67 water and dust resistance, and hardened stainless steel surfaces, is built for demanding environments. Bluetooth connectivity and a rechargeable battery enhance usability, while intuitive functions like Hold, INC, and 2OL make it ideal for mechanics, engineers, and hobbyists. Kaindl WOOD-PLANE. The Kaindl WOOD-PLANE is a high-performance milling disc crafted in Germany for use with 115mm and 125mm angle grinders. Made from CNC milled, high-strength aluminum, it features durable, replaceable carbide cutting inserts for efficient carving and surfacing of wood and wood-based materials. The disc includes a chip thickness limiter for safer operation and is rated up to 14,500 RPM. Lightweight yet robust, it delivers precision, long-lasting performance, and reliable results for professional woodworking projects.